All right, despite feeling or having felt off yesterday in Kyoto, I feel good today. I think the issue was actually I just needed to talk with someone, and I didn't. I guess realized it at a certain point, and that's why I ended up talking with my friend about stuff, and I think it helped a lot. Like afterwards, I felt a whole lot better, and today I just feel good in general, despite having taken the night bus. And the night bus, I didn't sleep super well, but I took a nap just now, getting ready to do the Kendama challenge. And yeah, I'm excited for that. I got food poisoning the day I was supposed to do it last week, so it's a bit of a revenge day for me. So it's good that I'm feeling good today. I just feel like I'm ready to actually do this challenge properly. But yeah, just gonna just wanted to report, I guess, that I'm feeling better from feeling off, I guess, and the solution was just to talk with someone. Sometimes you just gotta, talk it out. That's about it. I don't think there's anything else. Catch you guys in the next one.